What the best way to end our tour with a jump of a humpback whale.
Unbelievable.
You saw everything you could see. You saw them breaching. You saw orcas. Wow, that's so cool. That was so incredible. Baby's most likely gonna do it again. Babies are known to do this over and over and over again. That's how they are playing. So let's wait. We may see a baby doing this again. We saw a big whale sinking down around your around your two, at a distance in between those two small boats. Oh my God! Fully out of the water. Fully out of the water. That was cool. Perfecto. We're gonna turn around, guys. That was cool.
Yep.
That's so cool. You guys are definitely our lucky charm guys. We saw lots of things today. It was one of the best tours we had.
There he is again.
Wow, that's so nice. Oh, awesome day today. Please show those videos to the people back home so they can be jealous of you guys. Wow, that's so cool. Babies breaching. It's always a nice sight to see these young guys leap out of the water. Oh, little baby jumping in the water. That's Mama. Mama always closely following the baby.